Alright folks, let's talk about the Keychron M3 Mini wireless mouse. This little guy has been my daily driver for a while now, and I've got some thoughts. First impressions? Super lightweight. Seriously, at just 55G, it almost feels like nothing in your hand. If you're into that lightweight, almost drag-free feel, you'll love this. Now it's wireless, which is a must for me these days. It connects via Bluetooth 5.1 or a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, so you've got options. I mainly use the 2.4 GHz connection for gaming because the latency is insanely low. Like seriously low. Clicks register instantly, which is a game changer. Bluetooth is great for everyday use, hopping between devices, that kind of thing. The sensor is the Pixart 3395, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast. It tracks perfectly on pretty much any surface I've tried it on, and with up to 26,000 dpi, you can fine-tune it to your exact preference. Whether you're a low DPI gamer or you need that extra sensitivity for detailed work, this mouse has you covered. The 650 IPS tracking speed is also impressive, meaning it can keep up with even the fastest hand movements. One thing I really appreciate is the Keychron engine software. It lets you customize everything from button mapping to RGB lighting effects. You can even create macros, which is super handy for both gaming and productivity. Plus, it has onboard memory, so you can take your settings with you wherever you go. No more messing around with software on different computers. The build quality is solid too. It feels durable, and the clicks are satisfyingly crisp thanks to the Wano 80 million click switches. The Teflon mouse feet glide effortlessly, and the ergonomic shape is comfortable even during long gaming sessions. Keychron claims up to 70 hours of battery life, which I've found to be pretty accurate. Obviously, that will vary depending on your usage and RGB settings, but it's definitely enough to get you through a few days of heavy use. So who is this mouse for? Honestly, I think it's a great option for a wide range of users. Gamers will appreciate the low latency, high DPI, and customizable features. Office workers will love the lightweight design, comfortable ergonomics, and wireless convenience. Even creative professionals will benefit from the precise tracking and customizable buttons. Overall, the Keychron M3 Mini is a fantastic lightweight wireless mouse that delivers on performance, features, and build quality. It's definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for a new mouse. It's not perfect, of course. Some people might find it a little too small, especially if they have larger hands. And while the battery life is good, it's not the absolute best out there. But for the price, it's hard to beat. Let me know what you think in the comments down below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.